Spazzin crew, man. It's your boy, the one and only CK Spazzin, and I'm back with another banger, man. Look at Gotham, man. Look at Gotham. Ooh, she's looking so pretty, so clean. I got a product I want to review with y'all and for y'all, which is called Shine Armor. I want to give a huge shout out to Shine Armor for sponsoring today's video and sending me out some product to try on that bad boy, that baby Gotham. They sent me out some plastic restorer, so I'm gonna give it a shot and I'm gonna give y'all my honest review. So quick thing about Shine Armor, man, I done a little digging, a little research, man. They are a mass producing company, and not only do they have things to restore the plastic on your bike, they have things to restore plastic on your cars, they have other things, air fresheners for your car, they have ceramic coats, they have everything, anything you need for motorized vehicles, anything you need, man. Hit my link in my description and use code CK Spazzin at the checkout if you want some money off your order, man. But not only did they send me plastic restore, they also sent me a good microfiber tire, man, which that goes a long way, man. I appreciate that, because not only did they just send me something, they sent me something to wipe it with. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all too, man. So hopefully it works some magic. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's see what Shine Armor talking about, man. I apply some Shine Armor on to this rag simply by just opening that cap, putting a little bit on there. I got a problem, man, a bad habit with putting too much of shit on stuff, man. I always put too much, man. But let's go ahead and apply this. Let's see what we talking about here, man. And rub it in there. Supposedly this is all you need to do. And it's gonna get her right, get her shining. Let's see. Plastic restore. Not gonna lie, based off what I just put on here, it make the plastic look healthy, like it's moisturized. It get dried up. Now it just look like it's just moisturized, man. It look good. I think it. Hell, it did something to it. Now hold up, now goddamn. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me go ahead and apply this to all my plastic around the bike, man. Not only does this moisturize your plastic, bring it back to life, and actually protect your bike or car, whatever you applying this to, from UV rays and protecting it from the sun for too much damage and things of that nature, man. So not only does it make your stuff look good, it actually does a purpose and by protecting it, man. So huge shout out to Shine Armor, man. Let me go ahead and apply this to this other side. Let's see what we talking about. I just finished up with literally everything, washing the R1, drying it off, and adding the plastics restore on there, man. And I can honestly say, Shine Armor, they got something going with this right here, man. I'm not gonna lie. Look at how shiny and how healthy this Yamaha R1 look, man. This is crazy. All I'm doing is look at the seat. Look how this bike look like it should be on the showroom floor, man. Not gonna lie, man. Shine Armor plastic restore, it did its thing. It did exactly what it said it was gonna do. I'm not sitting here, you know what I'm saying, speaking out my neck. I'm being 100% honest with y'all, Spazzin crew, man. This plastic restore right here really did make the bike look like it's greasing baby oil, man. Like it's ready to go on the showroom floor for real. Look at it, God. All the plastic looking healthy. Touches, all the plastic look restored, everything looks shiny, conditioned, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this bike looks good to the T, bro. I've literally put it everywhere on this bike, all the plastic parts. I'm just going around. It's just so hot out here, man. It dries up everything so quickly, so I'm just going around just correcting any little smears I see, man. But dude, look at the bike. There's nothing more to say but the results. Look at the results. plastic, shining, everything shining, dark, deep black. I hate an ashy looking plastic piece, man. I hate it. Seat shining, everything shining, man. Huge shout out to Shine Armor, man. This is that plastic restorer that they sent me out to try for me to review and let you guys know my honest input on it, man. And I'm here to say, man, it is worth every penny, man. And I want to say once again, appreciate you guys, Shine Armor and the team out there for sending me out this product, me to give a shot, man, and give my honest review. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, man. I'll see y'all on the next one.